Gas springs. Types, designs, and performance benefits. Everything you need to know about gas springs. Here's what you'll learn. What are gas springs? How a gas spring works. Construction of a gas spring. Types of gas springs. Benefits and applications of gas springs. Considerations and installation when choosing a gas spring. And much more. Chapter 1. Understanding gas springs. Gas springs can be examined under different circumstances as follows. Terminology related to gas spring operation. Stroke of a gas spring. Extended or expanded length. Closed or compression length. Beadroll section. Differentiating air shocks, gas lifts, gas struts, and nitrogen gas springs. Comparing coil springs and gas springs. Chapter 2. How does a gas spring work? Damping control. Key factors influencing damping characteristics include operating temperature, oil viscosity, oil volume, pour point of oil, metering and extension speeds. Gas spring safety, precautions, and best practices. Common gas spring installation issues and troubleshooting. Chapter 3. What are the key considerations in gas spring design? Rod component. Gas spring tube. Guide and seal package. Piston assembly. End plug. Nitrogen gas charge. Additional key gas spring design considerations. Mounting orientation. Cycle life and durability. Temperature range. Application-specific features. Frequently asked questions. What makes gas springs different from traditional coil springs? How does operating temperature impact gas spring performance? What materials and treatments enhance gas spring durability? What installation and safety precautions should be followed with gas springs? Which applications benefit most from gas springs? What factors should be considered for outdoor or marine gas spring use? Chapter 4. What are the different types of gas springs? Standard gas springs. Adjustable locking gas springs. Custom gas spring. Safety locking shroud gas spring. Tension and traction gas springs. Stainless steel gas springs. Gas spring dampers. Chapter 5. What are the benefits and applications of gas springs? Benefits of gas springs. Low maintenance. Long lasting. The locking option. Ergonomics of a gas spring. Wider range of mounting options. Applications of gas springs. Gas springs are used in various applications, including applications of standard gas springs, applications of adjustable locking gas springs, applications of custom gas springs, industrial applications of safety locking shroud gas springs, applications of tension and traction gas springs, applications of stainless steel gas springs, application of gas spring dampers. Chapter 6. What considerations should be taken into account when installing gas springs? Considerations when choosing a gas spring. When selecting a gas spring, the following factors should be considered. Performance specifications. Physical specifications. When selecting a gas spring, it is important to consider the following physical specifications. Cylinder diameter or maximum width. The rod diameter. Mounting choices. The available mounting options include ball and socket, clevis pins, tapered end, fretted mounting, bumper or rod end unattached, body material, size and weight of the load, spring orientation, ambient temperature, center of gravity, installation of a gas spring. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right gas spring manufacturers for your needs.